Do stuff in
Hurry up! What are you messing at? Right, go on, turn your key. Go on. Don't be like that. Go on, see what happens. Did you fasten the exhaust up underneath?
Yeah, I've done that.
Okay. Make sure it's out of gear. Yeah. Right, turn your key. I don't know what's going to happen. Go on. Wow. So we've got a bit of a blow from the Lambo, we know that. We're going to weld that up. And again. Oh, that's mint. Look at that. Look at the little sausage in there. Look at him. Well done, that. Right, I need to build it up. Get it off me ramp now. Faffing around. Come on. Got work to do, lad. Look out for you.
No leaks. We're good.
No leaks.
No leaks.
No leaks. So, just got into it. It had codes in for ignition coils, unplugged and camshaft. From the exhaust. We need to weld the...
Not from the exhaust. From, do you know where those two aircon pipes go into the...
Yeah, where the coolant's leaked on it. Anyway, look at that. He's built a car. He's got the interior trim to sort out and everything, but man, it's trim panel missing there, trim panel missing off there. Other than that, it's had new discs and pads on the front, new track arms, new bottom arms, new anti-roll bar links, a better back axle, rear discs and pads. We've got some 100 horsepower wheels to go on it. Well good, isn't it?
Yeah, we changed the discs.
Yeah, the disc and pads and the bearings and the clutch and the cam belt kit.
Don't forget about the handbrake cable.
Handbrake cables as well. So I've got to sort. It needs polish as well. I'm going to get you polished that. No, you're going to have to learn. You're going to have to learn.
No.
Right, anyway. Well done, Kai. Wow, well impressed. Yeah, mate.
So I can get some bolts for the air filter.
For the air filter box.
Just two.
Yeah, we got. That's a very, very rare air filter box. I think that's the one. Yeah. Right. Yeah, we can go find your bolts in a minute. What we've done is Kai has put the wets for the race car on it because we've got some 100 horsepower wheels, but they need tyres on it. I'm not buying tyres just yet. Let's get it running. Let's get it going properly, and then we're gonna give it a good clean and everything. And it's going to look beautiful. Do you know what? I could get some like £10 wheel trims for it. But anyway, Kai's done an amazing job. So proud of him. Aren't we, Kai, lad?
Yeah.
He's had a brake fluid change as well. This car hasn't had anything. The only thing we ain't changed on it is ECUs and body control modules. Oh, and the seats need a clean. Yeah, beautiful.
They need more than clean. They've got mould.
They need a clean. Yeah, they've never seen a mouldy car. That's what a privileged kid gets. Well, I don't know.
I've seen multiple mouldy cars.
They're all mine.